Hello, Glynis here, your friendly SEO specialist. Today I'm here to give you a quick little lesson on website redesign. If you're in the process of redesigning your website or replatforming, you want to be aware of making sure you are prepared during the process so that you don't see any loss in traffic or drop in traffic fluctuations after the migration happens. If you've ever gone through a website redesign or you're switching platforms, you may see your traffic drop after the site relaunch. And that eventually may return back to normal, but not back to the pre-migration level. The reason why that happens is usually because of a broken link or a change in the URL structure. So for example, your old URL page slug may have been something like / about the brand. And now your new page URL becomes / about us. Since the old page URL no longer exists, it becomes a broken page or a 404. Broken pages eventually get de-indexed from the Google search results. That means that Google removes broken pages from its index so they don't show up in the rankings anymore. So previously, your About the Brand page may have been getting, say, 200 to 300 daily clicks from Google by ranking for various keywords. When that page is broken, it is removed from the search results. When a page no longer ranks in Google, all the traffic it used to get from Google disappears as well. So to prevent this from happening, you need to do a bit of planning before the launch. It's very critical this takes place before the migration happens. To avoid this, what you want to do is you want to make a list of all the page URLs on your current website. Then you want to make a list of new page URLs you or your web designer will be creating. Then you want to create a 301 permanent redirect for the pages with the changed URL. And then you want to keep track of all your redirects. By doing this, it will ensure that you don't experience a massive drop in traffic and rankings. I hope that you found this tutorial to be helpful in being able to avoid some of the problems when you are doing your next website redesign.